Welcome to Best Basic Study channel. In this video, we learn simplification of fraction with help of different types of questions like, unlike and mixed fractions. After watching this video, you no confusion of simplification of fraction. Before starting this video, if you are new, please subscribe my channel for cbse class 4 5 math problems. Here, first question 4 by 5. Let us continue. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to what? In this type problem, we first find LCM. We know like fractions are same denominator, so LCM is equal to 5. Due to this fraction are like fractions, 4 plus 2 minus 3 by 5. 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is answer. Next question 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to what? Unlike fractions, first we find LCM of denominators. Here LCM of denominator is equal to 8. LCM divided by denominator multiply numerator minus LCM divided by denominator second and multiply by numerator, and LCM divided by denominator third and multiply by numerator. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1, multiply 7. Here 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, it multiplies 3, and 4 plus 4 multiply 1. Here 7, 3 into multiply 2 is equal to 6, and 4 multiply 1 is 4 by 8. 7 minus 6 plus 4 by 8. Here 7 is plus sign and 4 is plus sign. So we add both. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 by 8 answer. Here 3 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 9 plus 6 1 by 6 is equal to what? Here is mixed fractions. फर्स्ट वी चेंज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस विच हम लोग इस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करते हैं. तो हेयर 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 प्लस 1 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू 10 बाई 3. मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई इंटीग्रल पार्ट प्लस नोमिनेटर हेयर बाई डिनोमिनेटर. 4 multiply 9 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 4 multiply 9 is equal to 36 plus 1 37 by 9. 6 multiply 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 37 by 6. Next we find LCM of denominators. Denominator is 3, 6 or 9. LCM is equal to 18. So we write 10 by 3 here and 37 by 9 and 37 by 6 here. Next 10 by 3 plus 37 by 9 minus 37 by 6. LCM is equal to 18. LCM divided by denominator multiply numerator plus LCM second LCM divided by second denominator multiply numerator. LCM divided by third denominator multiply third numerator by 18. 6 divided 6 by multiply 3 plus 2 multiply 37 plus 3 multiply 37. 60 plus 74 plus 111. Here add 60 plus 74, so 134 minus 111 by 18 is equal to minus is equal to 23 by 18. Here 4 plus 1 5 by 6 minus 2 3 by 8 is equal to what? Mixed fraction. First we know 4 is the whole number, so denominator is 1, and so we write 4 by 1. 4 होल नंबर है, इसलिए 4 by 1 लिख सकते हैं हम जानते हैं इसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 होता है. नेक्स्ट वी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन चेंज टू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. हेयर 1 integral part 5 by 6 is equal to 6 multiply 1 plus 5. 6 is denominator, and integral part multiply plus 5 numerator is equal to 11 by 6. 2 integral part 3 by 8 is equal to 8 multiply 2 plus 3 by 8 is equal to 19 by 8. So we write 4 by 1 plus 11 by 6 minus 90 by 8. First we find LCM of denominator. LCM is equal to 24. Here 4 by 1 plus 11 by 6 minus 19 by 8. LCM is equal to 24. 24 divided by first denominator multiply numerator plus 24 LCM divided by second denominator multiply numerator. 24 minus 24 divided by 8 multiply 90 by 24. 24 multiply 4 plus 4 multiply 11, 3 multiply 19. Here 96 plus 44. Multiply 96 and multiply 11 multiply 4 is 44 minus 57 is equal to 20. Here first we add number, then subtract. We add number 140 minus 57 is equal to 83 by 24. 3 integral part 11 by 24 answer. I hope your concept is clear. Please subscribe my best basic study channel. Thank you.